We are suing the Attorney General of Quebec and exceptionally also the Attorney General of Canada. So we're asking that the unilateral amendment made by Quebec to the Canadian Constitution be rendered unconstitutional.
A group representing Quebec's English-speaking community has filed an injunction against Bill 96. The suit filed with the Superior Court in Montreal cites the law, which recognizes French as a common language of Quebec, encroaches on both constitutional and human rights. The injunction is being led by Michael Bergman and Associates on behalf of the Task Force on Linguistic Policy.
Language rights now in Quebec are meant to protect the majority, whereas the commonly held understanding traditionally was the minorities' rights are protected because the majority is always in control. The plaintiffs are individuals rather than sectorial groups or corporations or people with special interests.
The case has been in the works since June 2023 and will have its initial hearing on February 6th. The case is expected to land at the Supreme Court, but could take years to litigate.
The government decided that the Charter of the French language needed to be updated and reformed to make it more expansive. We have 30 vignettes of people who had difficulty getting services, health services, informational services, care services, business services, you name it, because of this law.
The 21-page court filing also calls on the provincial government to stop measures that restrict or penalize for the use of English.
The Office Québécois de la langue française, which is the enforcer of these elements, has the right to warrantless search and seizure, meaning they can come into your business without a warrant, without authorization, and order the business owner to show them all of their documents and software to see if they are in French.
Violators of the bill can be fined. Among other rules under Quebec's Charter of the French language, a requirement for French words to take up 2/3 of all signs, with English only allocated 1/3.
It sounds like a comedian's bad joke, but it's real.
In Montreal, Anastasia Dextrene, City News.